bird?
Sure thing.
Great. Let's watch it.
Guys.
Today Woody Woodpecker is going to us ranch.
No, wait, Grandma. He sucks. I agree with Emilia.
Me too.
He is going to us ranch and that's final.
Can I watch with you, please? No. Why?
Narizinho, how dare you refuse Woody Woodpecker to watch Phineas and Ferb? That's it. You three now on your first strike. 2 more then you be grounded.
No, I don't want to eat carrots. I want to eat Wendy's. No, Emilia. Carrot makes you big and strong. I want Wendy's. I want Wendy's. I want Wendy's. I want Wendy's.
Emilia, how dare you have a tantrum about Wendy's? That's it. You three now on your second strike. 1 more then you three be grounded.
Guys.
We are going to Sonic Drive.
At Sonic Drive.
Emilia's narizinho. Grandma, I want to a cranberry fluffy seafood.
No,
That's
Jessica,
right.
I only have $20. Your order is $35.
I agree with Santa.
Go engage me. Okay, engage me. I'm gonna slash tell you.
That's it, young
Hi.
ladies. This is your final strike. You three are grounded for 77 days. Let's go home right now.